let's try this one more again. I got new props. Here we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the chocolate girl.
Come with me, and you'll be in the world of your imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. Come with me, and you'll be in the world of your imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you wanna do paradise, simply look around and you it. Anything you want to do it. Wanna change the world, there's nothing to it.
Hold your breath, make a wish, count to 3.
Come with me, and you'll be in the world of your imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. If you wanna view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Wanna change the world, there's nothing to it. If you wanna view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Wanna change the world, there's nothing to it. Come with me, and you'll be in the world of your imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. Your imagination.
Damn, it works. Oh, dude, I rode back with 2 fucking wins. Wow, dude, I am killing my drones. Alright, well, that's gonna be the end of that drone anyways. That's pretty good, Rip. So nice one, peace.